Quicker record details from lookup fields. This feature allows the user less clicks to get to record details. To demonstrate this, if I head to Sales Invoices, and I select my sales invoice here, as this is an invoice for a unit, if I scroll along to where I have the unit number field, I can click where it says the unit number, and previously I would have to select from full list, click on the drop down at the top, select Manage, Edit or View to see the card behind this unit. Its update, you'll now notice when you click through on this field, you have an option here to show details. This will immediately show the related card to that record. There is also a keyboard shortcut which is available and you can use. This is Ctrl, Alt and down, and it will open the relevant record behind that lookup field.